I can actually find things! You were so shook you fell down! Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Charmaine and today is going to be another clean with me video, but this time I'm tackling my kitchen junk drawer. Now I haven't touched this drawer for quite some time. It's probably been a little over a year since we moved here. I haven't really cleaned it, so I don't know what's in there. If we find stuff kind of laying around the house that doesn't really have a spot, we can kind of just throw it in this drawer, and I'm pretty sure there's just random stuff in there. Just things that don't really have a spot in the house, and I'm gonna try to get rid of some stuff. Also, I have a little bin from cleaning some stuff out previously that I want to add to this drawer so it's easier to grab if we need it. So yeah, another clean with me video. Let's get started. So this is my clean kitchen, kind of clean, and that is the famous junk drawer right there. Let's open her up. It is literally filled to the top with stuff. So I'm just gonna start taking everything out and organizing and cleaning things that I want to put back in, putting things in my donation bag, which is right there, putting things in the garbage that can't be donated. Don't mind any background noise, my son is in the background. So I'm just gonna keep taking everything out, and yeah, we'll organize everything once stuff is out. We have so many car fresheners. Literally Canadian money. Ah, I knew we had stamps. That's where they went. So, drawer is cleaned out. Seriously, where did I put the vacuum? The little hand vacuum. Where did I put the vacuum? By the way, my son might come crying over here because he doesn't like the vacuum. It's only for a second, baby. It's only for a second. What? Really? And I like to take like this little mitten duster thingy and just dust what I couldn't get with a vacuum. No. No thank you. Spray it with some disinfectant spray. Homemade disinfectant spray with essential oils. It's in an old bottle. If you want to know how to make a certain cleaning product that I use in my videos, let me know in the comments below. Stay out of there, please. Excuse me. Am I gonna have to put this away? Because Mom's gonna need this. I'm gonna put this up here, okay? So you can touch it. So I do have a box behind me full of baskets and containers. I did actually keep these. They hold those mini little oranges or some strawberries I had in one. And I just kept the wooden box thing that they were in because I thought instead of using a container that I could use for something else, I could use these because nobody else goes in this drawer. And they're not even that ugly anyways. Reduce, reuse, recycle. I'm gonna put one in the front and one in the back. I have no idea where to start, like always. Oh, I have another box too that's gonna go down in my cellar that's like full of tools and stuff. So this is something I'm gonna keep out. I'm not really gonna wipe it down because it's something that I need to put on my cupboards because he really likes to open cupboards. This thing, it was one of those stress ball guys, and Oliver sadly bit his head off. So that can go in the garbage. Guitar picks with skulls on them that my husband will probably never use. Gonna donate these. Donation bag. actually going to push here so you can see it a little easier. Got some Uno cards. We have some menus of places we order out from sometimes. I'm just gonna actually. Oh, you're spraying me! Ah, no! He keeps spraying me now. So my son is making a lot of noise now. So I think I'm just going to speed this up and put things in the box that is going downstairs, put things in a donation bag, put things in the garbage, put things to the side that needs to go somewhere else, and put some stuff back in the drawer. I'm gonna stop talking now because there's a crazy pants, and yeah, let's just do it. Put it all in one thing. Why do you need 2 containers to take up more room? This is gonna go as a donation. Recycle, recycle. It's old mess, we're just gonna throw that out. Bags and containers are your best friend. Said this in my last clean with me video. I have some chalk. I do have a chalkboard in my kitchen, so I am gonna keep this in here. And that's really everything. This is going downstairs, and I will organize this once I get to organizing the cellar, because that is literally my last priority. Everything else I have to put in a different spot of the house. I don't know why that was in here. Most of the stuff has a spot. So I'm gonna put everything in the drawer now. My son is literally under the drawer. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, sir, just try not to stand up, okay? Careful. First one, just kind of random stuff. Stamps, the 3M sticker, wall sticker things. Some things to go on the bottom of a chair so it doesn't scratch your floors. Kind of neaten that up a bit. That goes to the back. My next one, all my tools and tape and tacks. Just kind of neaten those up real quick. Okay, so I have some cards and candles, and I'm also gonna put in this random house box bin thing. So it's kind of like an organized mess in the junk drawer. This is the best you're gonna get, really. And then we have our restaurant menus, which I am just gonna kind of stick on the side here. So that is it. So that's all done. I just gotta put all of the other stuff away that I took out that has places around the house. So this is the finished result. All clean and tidy. Still kind of looks messy and very, very random, but I mean, it's a junk drawer. It's for your junk that you have nowhere else to put. So yeah, and I did get rid of a lot of things, which I'm trying to do, trying to declutter while I organize and clean. I put some stuff in the donation bag, I threw out some things, and then I have a pile of stuff that I need to put in their proper place that shouldn't have even been in that drawer in the first place. But this is my drawer, my junk drawer. Wow, I can actually find things! Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell notification to get notified when I post new videos. You can follow me on other social medias. My Twitter and Snapchat is NotSoPlainChar, and everything else is NotSoPlainCharmaine. Alright, thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.